Good morning, everyone. This is Tamara Lee Ulmer with Arizona Resource Realty, and I am here today with Tiffany McDaniel and Ona Wood, getting ready to walk you through our newest listing at 315 East Pine Street.
We're really excited to share this home with you. This is a site-built, like-new home, built in 2015. It is in Payson, Southeast, almost at the end of a dead-end street. A beautiful neighborhood, low maintenance landscaping in the front, as you can see. We're excited to show you inside, and we'll see what's out back as well.
Okay, great. Really nice Trex decking. I really love that.
Welcome. Come on in.
Oh wow, really open, spacious floor plan.
It's a little under 1,500 square feet. Split floor plan, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. To our left here are the 2 guest bedrooms and a full bathroom.
Okay, so that is really nice, big room there.
Full bathroom, tile floor, granite countertops.
Yeah, that's super nice. I love the chandelier or the lighting,
Yes.
the lighting fixtures. Yeah, very nice.
Laminate wood floors everywhere, the waterproof floors in here. We've got the stainless steel appliances.
Okay.
The kitchen. The home was built in 2015, so it's like new. It was only a 2-owner home. So,
Okay.
but very open and spacious.
For sure.
To your left, you have your washer and dryer, or obviously your water heater. You've got a 2-car garage.
Okay. So yeah, there you go.
Plenty of room in there. And then you've got your main bedroom.
Nice, spacious bedroom here.
Nice dual vanity.
Oh yeah, really nice main bathroom. Okay. Love the countertops and the sinks.
Big walk-in closet.
Large walk-in. Oh, nice. Okay.
And then if you want to head out to the backyard, Ona will give you some highlights back there.
Okay. Oh, it's got,
So here we have a fully fenced backyard with a really nice tough shed. Obviously, some children lived here at one point. And it's just a lovely, quiet neighborhood. Pretty trees.
yeah, fully
And
fenced.
plenty of space for all of your activities.
Yeah, it is. I really like how they have this set up out here. Really nice fire pit there, and yeah, 2015. So it shows just like new, beautiful. It has a really nice, crisp feel to it when you walk in. So
Nice quiet neighborhood, all electric. Again, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, split floor plan in Payson, Southeast, on a really quiet street.
So thank you for taking this tour with us today, and until next time.
Make it a great day.